Mr. Porter. My name is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for contacting me on the 2014 Genesis Coupe. I have it here in black, the R-Spec that you were asking about. This is the Genesis Coupe shown with the 19-inch alloy wheels on it. Here inside, it has the black leather seats accented in red stitching. This is a 6-speed manual. On the steering wheel, you have Bluetooth. You have the capability to operate the cruise control and the volume and stereo controls on it. This here has the multimedia points on it inside, along with your XM radio on it. Back here in the back, this is a hatchback. With the key, you can remote open the trunk and everything on it. It has dual exhaust on it. This is an R-Spec 3.8 with the R-Spec badge. It has 248 horsepower. One of the great things about the R-Spec that it does run on 87 octane for fuel economy. Come around here to the front, to the other side here, you have XM radio with the fishtail on. You get that free for 3 months on it. Once again, on the passenger side, as you can see, we do have the red R-Spec stitching inside. And this car here has 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. Here at Tameron Hyundai, we go the extra mile, give you another 10 years, another 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You can reach me at 205-380-6250 or by my cell at 205-335-3988. And once again, I'm your preferred salesman, Tony Finley, here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for contacting me.